Hello viewers, we are road safety driver trainers. Today our instructor Shahid will demonstrate a 3-point turn. Before you start the 3-point turn, position your vehicle to the curb side. Indicate right, check both shoulder to the right and left and make your first move to the right. In the second turn, gear select to reverse, indicate to the left, look through the back window as you reverse. In the final turn, indicate to the right, gear select to drive, check both shoulders, then off you go. Thanks for watching viewers. Subscribe our channel for more contents.